Some of you may know me as the English teacher, Mr. Swanwick. Many of you, I'm sure, don't know that I am uncertified in all 5 sciences. And that's why RHBC has selected me to do this week's science report. The topic today has to do with that sound you might hear outside your bedroom window. No, it is not that creepy 8th grader from around the corner. It is our little bug friend, the cicada. And today my special guest is Cicada Guy. Hi, Cicada Guy. It's nice to see you. It's been a long time. Exactly 17 years, I believe. Cicada Guy, many people confuse you with the grasshopper. Does that bother you? Wow. Let me get this straight. You are underground for 17 years, then you burrow out of the earth where you climb a tree or shrub. Okay, oh, you shed your skin, yes. Then you have this lovely song that you sing. While you're up in the tree, you're singing that song. That's to attract a mate, I suppose? Have you found yourself a mate? Are you going to keep trying? Okay, that's nice. What did I want to ask you? Oh, I hear that in Japan you are actually associated with reincarnation. Is that true? That's a good one. Listen, we're coming to the end of the year. Graduation parties all around. People are going to be, partying it up. Do you have any advice for the kids that you could give us? I agree with everything you said, except you left out the whole seatbelt. Don't forget the seatbelts, right? That's the most important thing. Cicada Guy, according to the estimates that I've read in the papers and seen on the local news, your numbers this year are up in the billions, with what we could say is hundreds of thousands per acre. Some may say that your numbers are growing so big that you're taking over everything. What do you have to say about that?